Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll be explaining how you can send files from one phone to another phone using quick share option. For that, first you can do is turn on Bluetooth on both the devices. Just scroll from top to bottom so that you'll see Bluetooth option. Just if not by case, if it is turned off, just turn it on. You need to do it on both the devices. So yeah, one is the Moto Mobile, another is the Realme, and on the Realme already the Bluetooth is turned on. So next, choose the file you want to send. For this tutorial, I'll be clicking a small snap and I'll be opening this camera picture and I'll try to send this using the quick share. Okay, when you tap on the image, you'll see the share option at the bottom. See, at the bottom left, you'll find the share, right? Tap on that, tap on the share, and again tap on the share here. Share, and click on quick share. And now the quick share option on this mobile, the Moto Mobile, is turned on. It is saying use QR code, so I'll be tapping on that use QR code option. So from another phone, I'll be scanning this. To scan, you can use the default scanner available on your phone, or you can just simply open Lens app, the Google Lens app, and just scan that. You will get a link. If you click on that link, these both devices will get connected. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is the QR code, right? I'll try to scan that QR code so that I'll be getting a link. So as soon as see here, link is there, right? Tap on it. Yeah. Now the phone's name is on the another mobile, Realme mobile. Just tap on that so that you are accepting that file. That file has been downloaded here on the new mobile, means the file has been shared. So this is how simple you can get this. You can share videos also. Just you need to go to Google Files app or your internal storage app, select the file what you want to send. That may be picture, video, movie, or anything. Just once you select, click on the share button and choose quick share, and on the other mobile, just scan the QR code what it is available on the first mobile, then accept it. And for quick access, you can just get that quick share on the tiles also. See here, for my Moto Mobile, it is directly available. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.